Before I go ahead, I would like to give you some reality check. The honest truth is, I can't teach you everything. And yes, you can also create some designs on Jitter, but it's more easy when you create your designs from Figma. You just import them just the way I've showed you just now. Then after importing your design, you can see it's very similar to Figma. Like I said, we have our layers on the left hand side, just like we have on Figma. And this right hand side, we have our animations on the right hand side rather than the property bar that we have on the right hand side on Figma. Then here you can export your video when you're done. Here you can toggle or adjust your zoom. Here you can share your Jitter video, and this is the title of the design you are actually working on. So another thing you should know is you can animate literally everything in Jitter, like every single element in your design. So, and another thing I learned when I started using Jitter is that I was about the I was about the aesthetics rather than the usability. Please know this. The fact that you're animating your screen in Jitter doesn't make you lose your thinking as a UI designer. Don't forget you are still designing for users. And what am I trying to say is that it's always good when the animations are slow so that people can enjoy the animation. But also have it at the back of your mind that people are not using that screen because of the animation, they are using it because of the feature. So you have to make your animation as short as possible because this is you bringing a single screen together. Imagine taking you 4 to 5 seconds for a screen to come together on an application. Do you know how many screens you are going to come across before you actually achieve a feature on an application? Now imagine if every screen is taking 7 to 10 seconds. You will get tired, right? No matter how creative it looks, you will get tired of it at some point. So please always try to keep your videos short and concise, okay? And your interactions or your animations doesn't have to come after one another. You can do everything at once. Everything can come in at once with different kind of animations and it will still look good. So let's animate this screen now in the next 5 minutes. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is, you guys can see all my layers on the left hand side. I'm going to click on my green background. This is my green background. It's a rectangle, and I'm going to give it a new animation.